Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track. Okay, so now the host of this collab is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Living Life with Lisa, and Carla Marshall. Now I'm going to be linking the host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure, full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, I have a main channel and it's called the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and I would love for you to go over there and check that channel out. I can assure you, you will not be disappointed, guys. Well, in this video, I decided to go ahead and make a Valentine's Day cake, and then I switched it over to some cupcakes, which are easier to grab. And yeah, why not make a dessert? Everybody else is making a meal. I thought I'd come around the corner with a dessert. Okay, so I decided to make this box cake that I saw in the cake section, and it was keto. So I grabbed that, and then, like I said, I just wanted to make it easy on this day. And you just want to grab something sweet and keep on going. This one is the chewy brownie. I love chocolate. Now, my son was in the background laughing because I have the keto cake mix, but then the frosting was regular frosting with the with the sprinkles. But guys, this cake is for them and they don't eat keto. So one of my son does only because I do, but they don't have to eat that way. So it was okay for me to use regular frosting with sprinkles. But I know you guys are going to notice it. So I just went ahead and mentioned it. Now this part over here is pretty easy because all you're doing is following the instructions on the box. So we're preheating the oven at 350 degrees and then just adding the ingredients and mixing it. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I do all of this. Okay, so of course the next thing my son notices is that why are you using those Super Bowl Sunday cake liners? I mean cupcake liners inside of the thing. Well, that's all I had. So that's what we're gonna use. And you won't even notice it in the end because the cake mix overwhelms everything. So it doesn't even matter. Guys, we're using what we have at home and it's still gonna taste delicious. Okay, now you know it's time to frost all of the cupcakes and then add the sprinkles. We are almost done with these sprinkles and then we're going to head on over to the reveal. Don't these look so yummy? Now, I just want to thank everyone who participated and hosted in this collaboration. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.